Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Stardew Valley on PS5. First, make sure your PlayStation 5 console is properly set up and connected to your television. Then, navigate to the PlayStation Store, search for Stardew Valley, and complete your purchase and download. Once the game is installed, launch it from your home screen. You will then be prompted to create your unique farmer, choosing their appearance and naming your farm. This initial setup takes just a few moments, getting you ready to begin your new life. Your primary activities in Stardew Valley revolve around farming, mining, and fishing. On your farm, clear away rocks and logs to make space for planting seeds. Remember to water your crops every single day. They typically take several days to mature. For resources like copper and iron, head into the mines, where you will also encounter various creatures. Fishing is another great way to earn money and collect items. Simply cast your line into any body of water and master the minigame. Beyond your farm, Pelican Town is bustling with life. There are 28 unique villagers, each with their own personality and story. Talk to them daily and give them gifts up to 2 times per week to build strong friendships. Higher friendship levels can unlock special events and recipes. Don't forget to attend the various seasonal festivals, which offer unique activities and opportunities. Exploring the entire map, from the secret woods to the desert, will reveal many hidden treasures and challenges. As you progress, focus on upgrading your tools at the blacksmith. This will make farming, mining, and chopping much more efficient. You can also expand your farmhouse, adding new rooms like a kitchen for cooking. A major long-term goal is completing the bundles at the community center, which restores the town and offers fantastic rewards. Whether you aim to complete every collection, achieve maximum friendship with all villagers, or even get married, Stardew Valley offers countless hours of engaging gameplay.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.